This is AI Scope, your front row seat to the AI revolution. Every week we explore powerful AI tools, uncover hidden features, and see if they truly deliver. If you want smarter tools and smarter decisions, you're in the right place.
For years, searching for information online meant opening Google, typing a question, and scrolling through a list of websites. But artificial intelligence is starting to change the way we search for information. One of the most interesting tools in this space is Perplexity AI. Instead of showing you a list of links, this AI search engine tries to give you a direct answer. Let's try a simple example. I'll ask the question, what are the best AI tools for productivity? Within a few seconds, Perplexity generates a structured answer that explains several tools and their features. But here's the important part. Every claim inside the answer includes sources. That means you can still click the links and verify the information yourself. This makes the tool feel like a combination of a search engine and an AI assistant. Another interesting feature is conversational search. Instead of starting a new search every time, you can ask follow-up questions. For example, after getting a list of AI tools, I could ask, which of these tools are free? The AI understands the context and continues the conversation. This can make research much faster compared to traditional searching. Instead of opening multiple tabs and reading several articles, you get a summarized answer immediately. Students, researchers, and creators are already using AI search engines like this to speed up their workflow. Of course, traditional search engines still have advantages, but tools like Perplexity show how AI could transform the future of online search. If you're curious about how AI search works, this tool is definitely worth testing. And if you want to discover more interesting AI tools, follow AI Scope for more videos.